This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Schuler. Mountainside Retreat. This 3-bedroom/3.5-bath luxurious mountain cabin sits on 2.17 acres. Flowing open floor plan with cathedral ceilings, hardwood floors, spacious kitchen with a walk-in pantry, vented gas log fireplace in the living room. Master on the main level comes with a jetted tub and a walk-in shower. Upstairs is a large loft area, bedroom and a bath. Finished terrace level with a great room/game room, bedroom and a full bath and a laundry room. Basement garage with storage. Gather outdoors on the amazing wrap-around deck leading to the pavilion with an outdoor kitchen, wood fireplace and plenty of entertainment area. Best of all, beautiful waterfall. Most furnishings convey. This home has so much more to offer. Nestled in the heart of Young Harris, only minutes to Lake Chatuge, Young Harris College and Brasstown Valley Resort. Schedule your appointment today. For more information